Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to clean your car for a midwinter clean. First, start by getting all the junk out of the car. It might include removing car seats, removing floor mats. Hey little duck, if you know what this is, leave a comment below. Next, go over everything with a vacuum. Be sure to get inside the crevices between the seats. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the car rather than detail it. Using some soapy water solution, only a couple drops for that big bottle. Spray it onto the rag and wipe the seats. And wipe any of the plastic trim around the car. Now, this isn't detailing the car. This is simply cleaning it. This is midwinter here in Buffalo, and in my opinion, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to go through a full detail until springtime. We had a nice break in the weather here, and it was in the 30s, so I took the time to clean this out. Vacuum out your trunk area. Sometimes the low pile of the trunk carpet is difficult to get stuff out, but if you work it with the hose attachment, you should be able to get it out just fine. Sometimes I'll bring the regular vacuum out for the house that has the beater brush on it, and that works nicely as well. This whole process should only take about 20 to 30 minutes at the most. Again, using that same soapy water solution, wipe off any of the plastic trim. And then the nice thing about just using soapy water, you can wash your windows with the same stuff. So you're not going from bottle to bottle, switching cleaners, getting a whole bunch of different cleaners in the car. Here you see I'm using a waffle weave towel to wipe the windows, and we're going right back to the trim. Now when you do the windows, you'll want to do the inside in one direction. Any overspray you can wipe off right on the door. And then on the outside, make sure you pull the window down a little bit and get that top edge. Put the window back up and dry it all off. Rinse and repeat. Again, we're not going for a perfect detailing job. We're just trying to get a lot of the midwinter grime out of the car. So come spring, it'll clean up real nice and real easy. Again, still using that same soapy water solution. You don't have to worry about the pedals getting slippery. You can just wipe it right down. wipe all the trim. And again, still using that same soapy water solution. Wipe the rest of the interior. Vacuum any of the debris that you didn't get to earlier. And if you'd like, you can use a quick mist of detailing solution. Oh, the duck approves. Now reinstall everything back into the car. And check out these results. Pretty good for just a quick cleaning. If you like this video, please leave a comment below, like, and subscribe. Future videos will include how to clean your windshield and how to clean your car.